In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your full project code from lovable.dev. First, head over to lovable.dev on your PC and log in using your usual credentials. Make sure you're on a stable connection so the interface loads cleanly, and avoid entering any sensitive information anywhere it doesn't belong. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where your projects are listed. Find the project or app you want to work with and click it to open. This takes you into the workspace dedicated to that specific project. At the top of the screen, you'll see a panel of navigation options. Look for the tab labeled Code and click it. This is where lovable.dev presents the code for your project. You'll typically see a file tree or a set of files and a main viewing area that displays the content of whichever file you select. If you notice an option that says View Full Code, go ahead and click it. This button appears when the interface is initially showing a condensed or preview view. Selecting View Full Code expands the display so you can see the entire contents with proper formatting, which is especially helpful for longer files. If you don't see this option, that simply means you're already looking at the full view and you can move forward without doing anything else here. Now turn your attention to the top right of the code viewer. You should see a control labeled Copy File Content, often represented by a clipboard icon. Click that to copy everything currently shown in the code viewer. The platform will grab all the code in the open file and place it in your clipboard. If the file is large, give it a moment to complete. A quick way to confirm the copy worked is to paste into a plain text editor or your IDE. Remember, this action copies exactly what you're viewing, so be sure you've opened the correct file before copying. That's all you need. Open lovable.dev and log in, choose your project, click Code, expand to view full code if the option appears, and use the Copy File Content control at the top right to capture everything shown. This process won't modify your project in any way. It simply copies the content for safe backup, review, or sharing with teammates. Handle the copied code carefully if it contains secrets or private logic, and store it in a secure location. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly grab your code from lovable.dev with confidence.